Okay, today I'm going to start off literals and it's also about the value. Literals. What is the literals? Literals often refer to as a constant value. किसी भी चीज की constant value को क्या बोलते हैं? Literals बोलते हैं. And another definition, literals are data item. Literals क्या है? Data items हैं that have a fixed value. That have a fixed value. इनकी value क्या होती है? जिस data item की value fix होती है उसी को literal कहते हैं. Just like if I'm going to make out the program, अगर मैं एक program बनाने जा रहा हूँ, just I started on things a equal to 10. Suppose I have assigned the value inside of a. a क्या है? एक variable है और इसकी value होगी 10 पर. During our programs, its value never change. इसकी value जो है 10 है, जो value है वो value कभी change नहीं होगी. तो it means this is the constant. This is the constant. Such that a equal to, suppose I have assigned of a and I. Amit. Okay, the value of a is Amit. A and I. This is the value. If the duration of program, the value of this a is not changed, it means it is a literals. Okay, now I am going to tell about this type of literals. There are many type of literals. इसके जो types होते हैं literals के बहुत सारे type होते हैं. The first one is string literals. String literals, just I give the example of the string literals. इसकी बात करें तो ये it's categorized on the two part. ये दो भाग में divide होता है. And the first one is the single line literals. And another is multi-line literals. Multi-lines जिसमें बहुत सारी लाइनें होती हैं उसे multi-line literals होते हैं. These are the category of string literals. ये categories किसकी हैं? आपकी स्ट्रिंग लिटरल्स की कैटेगरी है. यानी स्ट्रिंग लिटरल्स की दो कैटेगरीज होती हैं, सिंगल लाइन लिटरल्स एंड मल्टी लाइन लिटरल्स. ओके, नाउ जस्ट आई एम गोइंग ऑफ फॉर एग्जांपल यू जस्ट मेकिंग अ प्रोग्राम, द पाइथन prompt will display. Okay, it is a one type of, there are many type of python prompt related on the its different editors. इसके editors के अलग अलग वर्जन्स हैं तो उनके prompt भी थोड़ा डिफरेंट होते हैं. So I am talking about this one type. You have to start on the program and the text this is a variable and you assign the value of SUMIT. Sumit is a string. ये क्या है? String है and you have to assign inside of the text. If the value of the text is not changed, it means this is constant. Which type of constant? It is string constant. It's a subcategory if I am talking, so it means it is single line literals क्योंकि एक लाइन में आके इसके अंदर चले गया, इसलिए सिंगल लाइन. And same is another example, PRO equal to this is my program with a whole of string. This is the string. ये पूरा क्या है? String है and the value assigned to the PRO. ये पूरी की पूरी जो value है इस PRO के अंदर चले जाएगी और duration of program में कोई change नहीं होता. It means it is literals. ये literals है, ये change नहीं होगा तो इसलिए literals है. अगर इस PRO की value programming time पे program execution time में हम change करते हैं, that this it means it is not a literals. तो वो literals फिर नहीं है. Okay, I am talking about the next one, multi-line. Look there. Just name the text one equal to hello. Then we have to use of forward slash. We should use of the forward slash. Then and after that we have to write out the words. Okay, word. Then the value assigned inside of this. This is a two lines. First one line and second line. But you must utilize a slash sign. इस तरह से slash sign आप जरूर यूज करेंगे. Otherwise it will not read the value of multi-line. तो ये value को multi-line में read नहीं करेगा. Another procedure, as you know, we in a Python we can use a single quotation and double quotation in the string. String के लिए single quotation और double quotation का यूज कर सकते हैं. दोनों का same reaction होता है. So text equal to single quotation hello, then slash sign, then word, and then okay, the multiple values goes there. Okay, I am talking about the next one for the example. Here are the example of the size of how to know about the string. How many string inside of the any variable, any. Okay, suppose I am talking if we have to assign the ABC inside of any identifier. So what its size? इसका size क्या होगा? 3 होगा because this is the counted one character, this is counted one character, and this is also counted one character. How many characters are there? 3 characters. If I am talking about the byte, कितना byte हुआ? तो 3 byte. एक character किसी भी कंप्यूटर मेमोरी के अंदर 1 byte स्टोर करता है. So it is Next I am talking ABC. ABC the size is 2, and here we are using the what slash sign. Slash sign is not counted inside. ये पॉइंट में काउंट नहीं होता, so it means it's only visible 2. यहाँ पे 2 ही दिखा है, 3 दिखाना चाहिए, नहीं दिखाएगा. Just here is the schema, then slash sign, then S, then space, then pen. How many sides is it? Is 11. Why? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11. The comma is also. The quotation marks also counted. Okay, so that is example. Now we are going to start on the another example, how we have to assign the value inside of the particular variable and how we know its size. It means how many bytes inside of this. We can multiply. There have a, there are 3 quotation of 3 comma is 3 inverted commas there, A, B, C, and we have to close the 3 quotation. And after that the value assigned here. So what is the total length of this str3? Its total value is 5. Why? The result comes of 5 because it is counted 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means that inter key also counted 1 character. एक character की तरह count होगी, इसलिए यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आया 5 आया. So str4 is the same. We have to follow single quotation A, then slash sign, then B, then slash sign, then C. Okay, we have to at the end then star 3, the value of star 4, then the value comes of 3. Why the 3? Because it is not counted. The slash sign is not counted. A 1 character, B 1 character, C 1 character. The total value of this character, this string is 3. Okay, now we are going this. Okay, so we understand. First one, the string literals have two type of literals. Number one, single line literals, and another is multi-line literals. This is the example of single line literals, and this is the example of multi-line literals. And now we have to how to find out its size और its byte. इसके अंदर कितना byte है और byte data है, उसको कैसे जानेंगे? And we have a function, len function. Then we have to pass the value of literals. Then we have to find its total bytes or its total size. इस तरह से इसके अंदर का size पता चल जाएगा. Now we have another literals, number literals. First literals is string literals. Second literals is number literals. Number literals it is 3 types: integer, float, and complex number. It has 3 types. Numerical literals have 3 types. Numerical literals के कितने टाइप होते हैं? 3 types. Int है, float है, int means integer, float means floating values, and complex. What is means of the integer? As you know about the integer values, it have plus and minus, -1 and +1. We not denote it in front of this, so it is called of the plus. Plus ही कहलाता है. अगर इसके आगे कोई साइन नहीं होगा तो it means both of the integer numbers. Okay, now we are talking about the floating numbers. Floating numbers for the example of the 2, 0, 1. This is the example of floating numbers. Okay. Now I am going to this is the number literals. It has the 3 types: int, float, and complex. Okay, now next one, the integer literals. Integer literals also categorized in 3 type of literals. First one, decimal integer literals. Second one, octal integer literals, and third one, hexadecimal integer literals. तो इंटीजर लिटरल्स के, इस इंटीजर लिटरल्स के भी कितने पार्ट हैं? 3 पार्ट. कौन कौन से? नंबर 1, डेसिमल इंटीजर लिटरल्स, जिसे आप लोग फेमिलियर हैं. ऑक्टल इंटीजर लिटरल्स, जिसे नंबर सिस्टम में हम लोग नहीं पढ़ा. एंड सेकंड वन, हेक्साडेसिमल इंटीजर लिटरल्स, इसको भी हमने नंबर सिस्टम में पढ़ा है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट वन इज द फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट लिटरल्स. सेकंड वन, फ्लोट की बात हुई थी, उसकी कैटेगरीज बताते हैं. फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट लिटरल्स, इट्स आल्सो कैटेगराइज्ड टू पार्ट फ्रिक्शनल फॉर्म. Frictional form just like a 2.01 or -13.05. Both are the frictional form of floating number. Okay, second one, exponent form. It is just like a 0.58 into 10 to the power 1. We can write out this with the options in 0.58e01 in this form. इस फॉर्म को हम क्या कर सकते हैं? इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. तो it have the 2 part. इसके 2 पार्ट होते हैं. First one is called the mantissa and second one is called exponent. And it is divided on two parts. Okay.